In this module, we'll discuss the proper method for preparing and shipping section cuts, cabs, and beds.
First, inspection and cleaning.
Confirm part description and interchange information on work order matches the part and any special instructions have been completed. Check to make sure all assemblies are complete. Front end assemblies should include complete front bumper, header panel if applicable, grille, hood and hinges, all lighting and mounts, left and right fenders, core support, unibody rails through shock towers, condenser, and the radiator or cooling fans. Rear clip assemblies should include complete rear bumper, deck lid, tailgate, hatch assembly with hinges, all lighting and mounts, left and right quarter panels, trunk floor, rear unibody frame rails, back glass, inner and outer roof panel, and body floor pan to the first seam. Truck cab assemblies should include complete cab shell and cowl section, windshield post, roof assembly, rear cab panel, and both rockers and floor pan. Bed or box assemblies should include bed sides, floor pan, tailgate, front bed panel, all lighting and mounts, and the fuel door.
Remove all stickers, tape, and glue residue. It's okay to leave small typical dealership decals in manufacturing labels, new takeoff or otherwise. Remove any other cosmetic aftermarket materials including decorative air dams, window rain guards, loose bed covers, window tinting, and fender flares. Any loose broken glass in assemblies should be removed prior to sale. Remnants must be covered using duct tape to prevent harm while handling. Any sharp edges from section cuts must be covered with duct tape to prevent harm while handling.
Thoroughly wash and degrease body components inside and out. Trim panels and interior components included in assemblies must be cleaned and free of trash and debris. Tagging and identification. Ensure the stock number is written in an inconspicuous place.
Shipping. Use a pallet that is appropriately sized to match the part being shipped. Avoid using pallets that are too big for the part as they needlessly take up transportation space. To protect parts from side impact damage during transportation, body parts should not overhang the sides of the pallet.
Use no fewer than 2 binding straps to secure the part to the pallet. Use a buffer like cardboard or styrofoam to prevent the strap from damaging painted surfaces or glass.
Emily, this quarter panel is fully prepped and ready to be shipped. What considerations do we need to take?
I would say the first thing is to make sure that it's cleaned and everything's good to go. Work order notes have been read over. I would check the pallet size. These can get damaged pretty easily by forklifts in transit, making sure there's no part of it hanging over, everything's large enough. But also keeping in mind that you're not getting it too large to take up too much room on that transportation network. Making sure that it's secure with at least 2 bands and this part of it on the bottom. Don't go over the metal because you could damage that. And if you've got any cut edges, sharp edges, any metal being exposed, make sure you get those covered up to prevent injury to anyone handling it.
Thank you, Emily. Thanks for watching, and stay safe.